All right, so this first demo was inspired by a company that I worked with recently. They were a fashion startup, and they had tens of thousands of items that they were selling. One day, because of an app relaunch, they decided to recategorize them into a new category hierarchy. So here I've just pulled 10, 15 items from Zara. So what we want to do here is we want to take these items and we want to categorize them into a fixed set of categories. So we'll say something like the categories are shoes, skirts, dresses, what else is there? Outerwear, pants, shirts. It seems, let's say that's our category hierarchy. And then we want to say what category is this cell in. I also like to add reply with just the category, so GPT3 knows to not give us back too much text. So let's see if that works. Awesome. So categorize the boots, the shoes. Amazing. Let's see if it works for the rest. All we have to do is just drag down the formula and the cells will update. So it looks really good. Looks mostly right. Sometimes we get these lowercase outerwear, uppercase outerwear. That's kind of annoying. So the first time I ran into this issue, I was, looking for something. It'd be like upper. Well, upper is not really what we want. We want to capitalize this, but there isn't really a capitalize command. And then I realized, we could just use the AI for this. The AI is actually really good at just general tasks. So we could say something like capitalize this word and add this cell, and it's definitely going to work there for shoes, but let's see if it works for everything else. And there you have it, a really nice, clean data set, and we didn't have to remember the name of some arbitrary Google Sheets command or write some JavaScript. All we had to do was just say what we wanted. It's kind of like programming with natural language. So let's say this is standardized category. And GPT-3 is really good at classification, but it's also good at creative writing and generating text of different kinds. So let's say we want to write some ad copy for each of these items that we have because we want to put them up on Facebook. So all we have to do is write a different prompt. Write a creative ad for the following product to run on Facebook, aimed at Gen Z. So let's see if that makes it slightly more interesting. And then we use the name, and let's see how that works. Awesome. If I wrap it so it's easier to read, and let's generate it for everything else. So that's really fun. It actually got some interesting notes in there. With their distinctive Western-inspired look, these ankle boots are perfect for making a fashion statement. You can take a look at the rest of these, but these are just, really good starting points for creative copy.